Hello and good day. And so this right here is my review on this PetSafe Doggy Door. And so with this door in particular, still teaching my pet actually how to use this and such. But as you can see, it fits practically a lot of different sliding doors and such. It is magnetic at the bottom, really easy to install. I do have the white version, and it does include a closer that you see here as well. So in case I don't want the dogs to go out, I can just pop this over and slide it down. So with this particular, the reason I wanted it was because I wanted to allow my dogs to go outside as they please. And so as you can see, my dog is currently going outside. And so I do have the large version, and this makes it really easy to actually go ahead and allow them to actually do their business as they need to when they go outside and such, and also allows them to come back in as they please as well. So if you're in the market for a doggy door, this might do the trick. I'm really pleased with it. I am very pleased of how easy it was to install, and I've had no problems with it whatsoever.